Hey guys, John C here. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about EDC, everyday carry. A lot of people prefer to carry a 9mm in a mid-size or a compact, and then there's also a subcompact. A lot of choices out there. Me, I prefer to carry my 45 full-size Taurus in a hybrid holster, and of course I got my 2 magazines. Now, why do I carry a full-size? Well, it's a preference. A lot of people prefer to carry something that they feel is inconspicuous or it won't print. Well, the way I carry mine is back here with my holster, and a hybrid holster, it pretty much hides it, especially during the winter. And I also carry this during the summer. So let's see. Let's try this out if I can draw this from a jacket. Now, 45 carries a punch and it kicks a lot, so let's see how we do. There it is. So 45 will work for me. Accuracy wise, yeah, you can tell by those 2 liters right there, we got them pretty much. Let's go for something a little bit further. There's a Coke right there. It's about 20 yards from where we're standing right now. So let's see if we can hit it. 20 yards. I got something a little bit further. It's a metal silhouette. Let's say if we can hit that. That's about 50, 60 yards. Got it. There you have it. 45 ACP full size. As you can see, it's not printing at all. It works real well. So, and those of you curious as to what I carry a Taurus pistol. Great gun, great gun. Never really had any malfunction with it. Ambidextrous, everything. It is clear, it is clean. So, any questions, hey guys, let me know in the comments below what you guys think about carrying a full size pistol. Those of you guys that do carry it, let me know how it works for you, especially during the summer. Or if you prefer a compact or a subcompact, let me know. Thanks, guys.